This video shows the proper process for applying and removing the Trinity Guardian Patient Protection System on Stryker Secure II hospital beds. It is presumed that all mattress and deck surfaces have been thoroughly cleaned with soap and water and dried before this process is performed. Step 1. Verify that a Secure II cover is being placed on a Stryker Secure II bed. Step 2. Lock the bed's wheels and verify that the bed is level. Step 3. Perform hand hygiene and put on new disposable gloves. Step 4. Unwrap the disinfected Trinity Guardian System package. Do not use a knife, scissors, or any sharp tool. If the cover is not completely dry, return it to the designated soil linen area for re-laundering and select another fresh cover. The cover must be completely dry to be used on a bed. Step 5. Remove the bed's footboard and place it safely out of the way. Step 6. Unroll the cover onto the bed with the light side down. Do not allow the top gray fabric to touch the mattress surface. Step 7. Locate the head and foot labels and orient the cover to correspond to the labels. Step 8. Apply the foot of the cover first. Locate the end pocket in the cover and slide the mattress into the pocket. Then wrap the bed deck cover around the bed deck frame. Step 9. Now apply the head end of the cover. Locate the head end pocket and slide the mattress into the pocket. Then wrap the bed deck cover around the bed frame. Step 10. Check to be sure that the CPR release is visible on both sides of the bed. Raise the side rail if necessary to verify. Step 11. Attach the clips on both sides of the bed deck where labeled. Step 12. The bed is now ready to be made up with linens. If a pillow cover is used, unroll the Trinity Guardian pillow cover and tuck the bed pillow into it, assuring that the pillow only touches the inner surface of the cover. Close the cover at its end. And when finished, reattach the footboard. Now that the patient has been discharged, it's time to remove the Trinity Guardian Patient Protection System for laundering. Step 1. Lock the bed's wheels and verify that the bed is level. Step 2. Put on disposable gloves and place a collection bag designated by the facility for Trinity Guardian covers nearby. Step 3. Remove the dirty bed linens following your standard procedures. Step 4. Remove the bed's footboard and place it safely out of the way. Step 5. Detach the clips on both sides of the bed deck. Step 6. Remove the contaminated Trinity Guardian cover on the head end first, rolling it up inside itself. Do not allow the contaminated patient surface to touch the mattress. Step 7. Now remove the cover at the foot end, rolling it up inside itself. Again, it is important that the contaminated gray surface not touch the mattress. Step 8. Place the cover into the collection bag you previously set nearby. If a pillow cover is used, open the Trinity Guardian pillow cover and remove it by rolling the fabric onto itself, away from the pillow surface. Place it in the collection bag with the soiled mattress cover. Step 9. Seal the collection bag and place the bagged cover in your designated soil linen location for covers. Do not mix it with other laundry and do not place it in the trash or dispose of it. This cover is reusable up to 150 times. Before placing a fresh Trinity Guardian system on the bed for the next patient, thoroughly wash all sides, surfaces, and nooks of the mattress and bed deck with soap and water, then allow to completely dry. Do not apply the cover until the bed and mattress are completely dry. For more information about the use and application of the Trinity Guardian system, please contact the company at 1-812-932-2600.